Every single day between conception and birth, something remarkable is happening inside you. By week 5, that tiny heart starts beating. By week 27, your baby has actual sleep and wake cycles, just like a real little person. And by week 39, everything is fully formed and ready for the world. Let's walk through this incredible journey together. Here's something most people don't realize. For the first couple weeks of your pregnancy, you're technically not pregnant yet. This window covers the time from your last period through ovulation and conception. Once fertilization happens, that single cell starts dividing rapidly, traveling down the fallopian tube towards your uterus, where it burrows into the lining. By now, you're about 4 weeks along. This tiny cluster of cells, called a blastocyst, is already producing HCG, the pregnancy hormone that tells your ovaries to pause egg release. It's also the hormone that lights up a positive pregnancy test. Just 16 days after conception, something huge is already underway. The neural plate starts forming. Think of it as the very first blueprint for your baby's brain and spinal cord. Around week 6, this plate folds over and seals itself into the neural tube, which eventually becomes the brain and spine. This is exactly why folic acid matters so much, even before you conceive. Taking 400 micrograms beforehand, then bumping up to 600 micrograms once you're pregnant, can lower the risk of certain brain and spine defects by over 70%. By 2 months in, the cells that will form your baby's heart are already beating. Tiny limb buds are sprouting, along with the beginnings of a face. The brain, sensory organs, and digestive system are all starting to take shape. Your baby even has a small tail-like structure at this stage. Don't worry, it disappears within weeks and becomes the tailbone. At 3 months, your baby genuinely starts looking human. You'd be able to make out limbs, hands, feet, even individual fingers and toes. The skin is so thin you could almost see blood vessels underneath. Reproductive organs are forming too, though it's still too early to tell on ultrasound. By the end of this month, your baby is fully formed, weighing around 28 grams and measuring about 10 centimeters. This is a huge milestone. Once the most critical development wraps up, the risk of miscarriage drops significantly. Moving into the second trimester, your baby grows a soft, fine layer of hair called lanugo, which helps protect their skin from the amniotic fluid. Their senses are coming online too: smell, sight, touch, taste, hearing. They may actually start recognizing your voice. Their eyes are still fused shut, but they can already detect light. Shine a flashlight on your belly and you might feel them shift away from it. Movement changes too, from soft flutters to real kicks against your uterine wall. By 4 months, an ultrasound can usually reveal your baby's sex. Now, if you've made it to 7 months, take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. In these final months, your baby keeps packing on size and weight, and their lungs are maturing fast. That matters a lot because it means a baby born now would likely survive outside the womb. From week 36 onward, expect roughly 20 grams of weight gain and about a centimeter of growth every week. Many babies also settle into a head-down position around now, getting ready for the big day. That's the whole journey, start to finish. I hope walking through it helps you feel a little more connected to what's happening inside you right now.